Hi, this is Zafar with PROTech. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a volume on your server. By the way, this is server 2012. So let's get started here. If you look in here in my PC, there is only one drive listed because I already have 3 more drives in here and it's not initialized or been configured. So let's get started. So select we have 1 2 3, so select this one, and then from the top on the top right, select task and create new volume, and then you will be presented with this wizard. So simply click next, and then it's telling you to select the server and the disk. Okay, so this is good. So it can't see any disk in here because the disk is offline. So simply right click here and then click bring online, click yes, and the disk is online. Even if you try to go in here, there is nothing to show. So simply go back to the wizard and then refresh. There you go, the new disk 1 is showing up here, and it's a blank space. So click next and then click OK. It's gonna do bring it back and then do whatever it need to do. Set it to GPT, click OK, and then you have an option here. Either you could use the entire size of the disk, or you could give it a number here. So let me set this as 10 GB and then click next, and then it's going to automatically try to assign one disk drive. So I'll leave it default D, and then I could give it the name here, data folder. Then leave everything else as default settings. Click next and click create. So it's going to do whatever it's need to do, and then you have some information here. If you go back into this PC, and all of a sudden you have this drive here. So you have a 10 GB drive. In actuality, this is like a small partition of the drive, which is about 750 GB. So that's one way. Let's try doing the same process a different way. So let's try doing it under computer management. So go up into tools and then click computer management, and then go into disk management, and in here you would see all kind of information about your computer disk. So right now there are 2 more disks which are available. You could also see that information over here. They are offline. So let's try to create a new volume for it, and we can't. So what we need to do is right click and bring it online, and the computer is online now. I'm sorry, not the computer, the disk is online. So let's right click and it says okay. Now there is another step involved here. Click initialize disk. So you have to do that, and then you have to select GPT and then leave that as default. Click OK. So the disk is online and initialized, and there's a blank space sitting. So we need to create partitions here. So right click and click new simple volume, and then click next, and then let's go ahead and give here about 25 GB, 25,000 MB is 25,000 GB approximately. So click next, and then you could assign a drive letter. Let's try giving it something else other than let's give it S. Click next, and then you could give the volume name here. Let's give it a scan folder. Click next. It's going to do a quick format also, and click finish. So now the volume is Okay, let's go back in here. See, all of a sudden another disk will start showing up here. So the user will be able to use only that much space, even though the size of the disk is more than 25 GB. So here it is. If you right click and go into properties, it's not going to show you anything more than 25 GB. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also check back again for following